Hello everyone, this is Ed. I am going to do a review on my sound percussion 5-piece kit in a beautiful red wine finish. First of all, the upgrades I did so far on it, I took the stock heads off, and on the kick drum here in the front I put a brand new white coated Remo Ambassador head on there to give it a nice fuller sound. There's the sound percussion badge. Very attractive. I like it. Stands out. The kick drum is a 22 by 18. It's really wide, and I like it because you get a real beefy, deep sound out of a larger kick drum. Here's another view of it. The tom sizes are 10, 12, and a 16 floor tom. The snare is a 14 by 5. The hardware that came with this kit is a sound percussion kick pedal, the sound percussion snare stand, which is this is a heavy duty Ludwig snare stand that my son bought me for Christmas 2 years ago, so I'm using that instead of the stock snare stand. We have the stock sound percussion hi-hat stand, and the cymbal package that comes with this drum kit is Agazarian 13-inch hi-hat cymbals. They're thin, and I like the sound of them. They're your basic cymbals that came with this kit. I will upgrade to better cymbals in time. This cymbal here is a 16-inch Agazarian crash. And what I plan to do else with this kit is replace the stock head here with another Remo or an Evans EMAD weight coated drum head, and maybe possibly add on 2 more rack toms right here, so I'll have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, just to enlarge my kit, make it more musical. I'll pan out. It's a beautiful kit. Excuse me folks, I need to turn this TV down. Okay. Yeah, I just wanted to do a little review on this kit and what the plans I have to do with upgrading this kit in the future. But so far, I am not disappointed at all in this kit. This kit new in 2012. This is a 2012 model. Been played very little. Been well taken care of. I bought it used. And this kit new cost probably about between $300, $400, $450, close to $500 for the hardware and the cymbals that it came with. But I couldn't beat the price. I could not turn it down. I found this in a marketplace ad, and I only paid $200 for this kit. All I did, like I said, was replace the heads, and that was it. That's all I've done so far. Just replace a few heads. Got rid of the old stock heads. The old stock heads still had some life in them, but you know, with the stock heads, they weren't that great. So I went ahead and bought some Remos for it, and these things really sound nice. These drums really speak. Okay, well, this is a video of the 5-piece sound percussion kit with cymbals and hardware and a beautiful red wine gloss finish. This is Ed. Everybody have a nice day, and God bless you all. Bye bye.